In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to authenticate email domains with Brevo. Authenticating your domain in Brevo helps your emails land in the inbox, protects your brand from spoofing, and builds sender reputation. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, and I'll share a few helpful tips along the way so everything goes smoothly. Start by signing into your Brevo account and opening the dashboard. From there, head to Settings and select the section labeled Senders, Domains, IPs. This is where Brevo manages the identities you send from and the technical configuration behind them. Next, switch to the Domains area. This tab lists any domains you've already added and lets you set up new ones for authentication. Look for the option to add a domain and open it. In the domain field that appears, type your domain name exactly as it is registered. Use the root domain only, no HTTP, no slashes, and no mailbox prefix. For example, enter yourdomain.com, not yourdomain.com, or anything with a path. Keeping it clean here prevents DNS mistakes later. Confirm by selecting Add a Domain. Brevo will accept the domain and prepare it for authentication. When prompted, click Continue to move forward. This simply advances you to the next screen where the setup is finalized. Now choose Authenticate for the domain you just added. This opens Brevo's authentication guide. On this page, you'll typically see the records Brevo wants you to publish in your DNS, like DKIM and SPF, and sometimes guidance for DMARC. Think of this page as your checklist. Brevo shows you the exact host names and values it expects, and it will verify them once they're live. A couple of tips to make this part easy. Keep this Brevo tab open while you work, so you can copy values precisely and avoid extra spaces when copying keys. If you're asked to confirm your DNS host, pick the provider you manage your domain with. If you don't see it listed, choose Other. After you've published the records with your DNS host, give them time to propagate. Some changes verify within minutes, while others can take several hours. If there's a TTL field, leaving it at a standard value like 1 hour is usually fine. When the records are live, return to Brevo's authentication page and use its verification prompts. Once everything turns green, your domain is authenticated and ready to send with higher deliverability and stronger brand protection. That's it. Your domain is now set up for success in Brevo.